no fire wolves. So, do you think I'm a noob at a puppy's tail? Well, watch me perform my skills.
What level are you going to do?
Expert.
Oh, wow.
So watch this, bro.
Oh. So if you hear some talking from me,
Yeah.
I'm just listening to my own video I'm going to post soon.
So, if I get hit, who cares? I'm still a pro.
Just 3 minutes. That's all. Hey, dragons, and today. Quick.
Okay, guys, even if I got hit, still pro'd. Just crushing these boys. Even there, boy. Okay, I draw an infinite, guys, just for practice, because in expert mode, you have to draw an infinite on the last level. But for me, that's the easiest part of this. Bro, this is easy. Not 1% hard.
But you said,
Question mark?
I thought you said expert was hard for you.
It used to.
Oh, poo. Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that, guys. I have to restart. Sadly. It's stupid. I disconnected.
Yeah, 1 subscriber.
Okay, Tuesday, can I have your charger? Because mine's only 12. Oops. No one's tears are sorry about that, guys. I randomly said that. So,
Why do you keep on saying random things?
I don't know. I have no idea why. Oof. I might not be able to post this video because it might take too long. So sorry if I can't do that. Firewalls. Okay, let's try this again. So choose it. Sorry that you're wrapped.
Ow!
Sorry that you're wrapped. I know. So sorry. Do you forgive me?
Hey Dragons, and today we are
Posted.
also have to be
Ow!
Oops.
My foot!
Hey Dragons, since they
Dun, dun,
So guys, you might call me a noob because I just got hit. Who cares? Regen lives. Next level. For me, the next level on expert is easier than the first. Okay, that was just a little good practice. Hack. Oof. Oofy. Oh no. Sorry if I lose, guys. It's gonna be my first loss. Not really first loss. I have lost a few times on this. Okay, good practice. Okay, now we're on the third level. Also, sorry, sorry, Rainbow Baby Dragon, that you're wrapped in the charger. Okay, here's the part we were stuck on because we lagged. We're still recording. Okay, guys, we're close to getting to the moment of truth. So, hopefully the video doesn't randomly end. So many. Bad guy back. Noob. This guy's noobs. Oh no. Surprise! So guys, that's how you surprise Phantom Prince. Okay guys, we're at the moment of truth. Okay, I'm just gonna draw in and okay, it was bad. was about to say, okay, that was good, but then I noticed it was bad, so. Okay. Good. Because we're close. It's the big part. The best part. Okay, guys. Did it, guys?
You mean
Firewolves, yeah. So I told you I was a pro. So this thing isn't copyrighted, so we will be able to post this because there's barely any music. When you beat expert mode, you get the pet spotted lab puppy. It's just so.